so easy. It's literally, you just put it on. You know, if you want to use the combs, you just, you know, anchor them in your hair or anchor them in your braids, snap the Velcro in the back, and then you are good to go. Now, I don't know what the back is looking like, only because I can't see it. The one thing that I do love about this wig that I didn't so much really care too much for my last one, not that it was like a major problem, but with this one, the Velcro goes all the way. So the other one, the Velcro was just like a tiny square. With this one, you guys can see if I needed to tighten the wig, I can always move it over. I have this much extra space to go ahead and further fit it to my head. So with these half wigs, you guys, there is no cap size. There's no like small, medium, and large option. They do come in a standard cap size, so it's meant to be like a one size fits all. Let me show you guys the packaging. Now this is from one of my favorite hair companies, Asteria Hair. You guys, this is their human hair curly headband wig. I'm just going to show you guys what came inside. But I think these are reversible because there's a different pattern on this side, and then there's a different pattern on the opposite side. So either they're reversible or they're just double lined and made like that. I'm not 100% sure. I'm going to more than likely throw on this one because blue is my favorite color, so it's only right that I go ahead and choose this one. Came in a silk bag too. It did come in a box this time like they normally ship in a box and give you the bag, but I'm not mad at that. That is perfectly fine. Now they do put an elastic band, which I think this is just a part of their packaging. You won't need it with this wig. And then they did send a 2-pack of brown wig caps, and lastly there is a pair of eyelashes in here. That's all that came with the packaging. It shipped fairly quick, I would say. Probably took about maybe 4 or 5 days for it to come. So this is the hair, you guys, freshly washed, and I combed it out. As you guys can see, this hair gets really big. This wig I chose to get it in 26 inches. I kind of should have got a shorter length just so it can look like natural, but I like long hair, so I got 26 inches. But if I want to get another curly one specifically, then I'll probably get it something shorter that looks more realistic, maybe like a 14 or a 16 inch. So the good thing about this particular headband wig from this hair company is when I was ordering mine, I noticed that they have these in lengths 10 inches all the way up to 30 inches, so you have a variety of lengths to choose from. And I don't think even the 30-inch is really not that expensive like a normal 30-inch wig would be. They can get up there in the 400 range, but this is a headband wig, like a half wig, so it's not like too ridiculously priced, and it shouldn't be anyway. Like for instance, for this 26-inch, it was $289, like $290 basically. And a lot of people will say, like, you know, what's the difference between paying this amount for this headband wig when you can go simply get a half wig? The thing with half wigs are, if you're familiar with them, they're mostly synthetic. So if you're okay with getting a synthetic half wig for like maybe $40, $50, $20, $15, however much they cost, that's cool. But synthetic wigs don't really give you that longevity like human hair and virgin hair does. So it's a matter of, this wig is going to last you. There's no reason why a headband wig should not last you. Number one, because there's no lace to get worn out, there's no hairline to bald, like there's no like real heavy maintenance with this wig that will make it like give out. This is a wig that you can easily just throw on and go, like take it off literally whenever you want to. So this wig is gonna last. It's good quality hair, because I talk about Asteria hair all the time. Love their hair company. I love just about darn near every texture from them, except for like, I haven't tried like their loose wave maybe, and I haven't tried their kinky straight hair either. But for the most part, their basic texture, straight, body wave, deep wave, I'm all here for it. I will leave my top favorites video down below if you guys want to check that out, because I do go a little bit more in depth with this hair company. And then also, the density for this wig, you guys, is 180% density. Now my prior headband wig that I just did a video on, that one was 150% density, and it was a straight texture. This one is 180, and it's very full. Getting curly hair in a 180% density is pretty standard. It's not thin, but it's not too full either. Then of course, this hair does come in the natural black hair color because it is human hair, you guys. I did go ahead and dye this hair jet black, and I did that doing the watercolor method. Super easy. So I do have a video on that. I will be sure to put it here somewhere on the screen or either in the eye above. It was pretty dark when I got it, but then again, it's like that natural black, and I know that I wanted it to be jet black because look how good it matches with my hair. My hair is not even dyed, but my hair has always been like super dark, so I just wanted everything to kind of flow and go together. So a couple of things that you guys probably should know or would want to know about this wig in terms of the headband itself. Now the headband is made out of like a silk fabric, so it's very soft, which is nice because if you're choosing not to push it back and choosing to wear directly on your hairline, you don't have to worry about the material of the headband, you know, like rubbing or causing any friction on your edges. Also, it does come with combs in the inside, but they're not like the combs that you just push in. They're the ones where you like unsnap it, you know, put it where you need to put it and then snap it back so it really stays into place. And I think that is pretty much it with like the cap construction. So you guys can see this is what this hair would look like if you choose to wear it in its natural habitat. I think it looks super cute, super carefree and everything. I just really love this look. I think I will wear it like this once it dries again, because I am going to wet it for you guys during this video just so you guys can see how the curls look. I'll get to that in a moment. I think the hair is a little bit too big right now for me to try to pull it into a bun, unless that's how you want to do it. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to take the wig off to wet it. I've had their curly hair before, so I know what the curl pattern looks like when it's wet, but I'm going to come back and show you guys all that and go from there. Okay, you guys, so I did just wet the hair, and I'm just going to show you guys how easy this hair detangles. I didn't like drench it just because, if I'm being honest, I'm getting ready to take this off and go to sleep right after this, but I got it wet enough to where you guys could see the curls. And my brush is just gliding straight through the hair, detangles perfectly. Okay, so the only thing left to do now is to actually try it on with a headband. And what I love about these headbands is they're so thick. Like, they're the same length from the front to the back, which is what I love, because if you wanted to like put all this hair on top of your head and like wear it in a pineapple, you could totally do that, especially with these headbands, because they cover like a very wide area. have shown you guys a few little styles that you could potentially do with a wig like this. That brings us to the end of this video. You guys know I never leave you guys hanging. I will have the direct link for this wig down below in my description box. If I missed anything or if you guys have any questions, you are more than welcome to ask away and I will be sure to get back to you. Other than that, you guys, I love this wig. I think the next one that I'm gonna get is gonna be, I think I'll do kinky straight in this type of headband wig. I think that will be my next purchase as far as these headband wigs go. I just have to finish doing my research to see which company I want to get it from. So if you like them, then that's a good thing. If you don't really care too much for them, then you know you can just kind of skip over these types of videos. So I wanted to be sure to get a curly wig because the first thing that came to mind was like the perfect vacation wig. Like, I would want to wear curly hair on vacation. I think everybody kind of does, especially just depending on where you're going. If you're going somewhere where you know you're going to be in the water, you can work out in this wig, you guys. You can literally do anything, you guys. So I do hope that you guys enjoyed this video. I want to hear you guys' feedback on these very popular headband wigs right now. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and if you are not already subscribed to my channel, make sure that you hit that subscribe button. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video.